Hi friends, this is Jatinder from TechWarm. This is Hyundai new Elantra sedan which has been launched in India, and the new Hyundai Elantra has been launched in petrol and diesel version and comes in 9 variants with the 5 exterior colors. It comes with 6-speed manual and automatic transmission, and this is based on Fluidic 2.0 design language and comes with various improvements compared to earlier Elantra. And for instance, it has HID headlamps, LED daytime running light with positioning lamps, projector fog lamps, split type LED tail lamp, and shark fin antenna. As far as its interior are concerned, it is equipped with the 8-inch high definition touch screen with audio video navigation system with rear view camera, and the multimedia system is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for smartphone applications for streaming audio and app-based navigation, voice control, search capabilities. It is also equipped with 6 speakers along with smart surround system, which is of Arcames for better sound output. And for safety features, this sedan comes with 6 airbags and reverse parking camera with the vehicle stability management, hill start assist control, which will be ideal for driving in the hilly areas. And it has a best in class warranty with 3 years unlimited kilometers, and also the Hyundai is also offering free maintenance for 3 years or 30,000 kilometers, 3 years roadside assistance. This is also the plus point of this new Elantra. And for other safety feature, this new Elantra comes with the 53% advanced high strength steel. So that is again one of the prominent feature of new Elantra. The price of Elantra is 13 lakh rupees ex showroom and goes up to 20 lakh rupees. As far as its engines are concerned, as I told you, it has a petrol engine of 2.0 MPI, which has capacity of 1999 cc, can give you mileage of up to 15 kilometers, and the diesel engine is of 1.6 VJT CRDI, which has a capacity of 1582 cc and can give you mileage of 23 kilometers per liter, and automatic transmission variant can give you mileage of around 18 kilometers per liter. So as far as its features and price is concerned, this is very best looking sedan available in the market and can compete with the Toyota's Altis and other recently revamped some of the sedans. And the price is quite attractive. As I explained to you, it starts from 13 lakhs and goes up to 20 lakh rupees. There are other various features which I have explained in my blog techwarm.com. You can have a look at the other features of this new sedan. And this is the boot of the new Elantra sedan. You can see it's quite huge, and you can put a lot of luggage in the boot. That is also one of the highlights of this new sedan. My overall overview of this new sedan is that this is a quite beautifully looking new sedan, and it justifies the price as far as its features are concerned, and it gives a look of very premium sedan for its features and for its improvements. Thanks for watching this video, and keep on subscribing to our video channel for latest updates on automobiles and other technology. We shall be coming out with more videos on the upcoming launches and other